Welcome. In today's guide, I'm going to walk you through the simple steps to enable Vibrate for news notifications on the X app. This quick adjustment makes sure you never miss an important update, even if your phone is on silent or your screen is locked. Let's get started. First, open your phone's settings. This is where you'll find all the tools to manage how apps behave on your device. Take a moment to scroll through the menu until you see the option labeled Apps. Tap on it to open the full list of applications installed on your phone. Next, locate the X app in that list. Depending on how many apps you have, you might need to scroll a bit, but once you see it, simply tap to open the app's settings page. This is where you'll find specific preferences for how the X app interacts with your device. From here, tap on Notifications. This section controls everything related to the alerts you receive from this app. You'll now be able to customize them so they fit your personal preferences. Once inside the Notifications menu, look for an option called Notification Categories. Go ahead and tap on that. What this does is break down the different types of alerts the X app sends, so you can fine-tune how each one reaches you. Now, find the category labeled News. This is the one that controls alerts about the latest updates and headlines. Tap on News to open the custom settings for it. Finally, scroll until you see the Vibrate option. Simply toggle it on. Once you do this, every time a news notification comes through on the X app, your phone will vibrate, giving you a clear physical alert you won't miss. And that's it. You're all set. By taking a minute to adjust this setting, you've made sure that important updates grab your attention right away. It's a small change, but it can make a huge difference in staying informed without constantly checking your screen. Thanks for following along.